Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. All right. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a lovely weekend. So today is Monday. It's another week to make good profit from the market. So as we are approaching Christmas, it is very important that we accumulate money. All right. So we can take care of family and friends the way we want. So, guys, if you haven't found your account, please go and fund your account. Okay. Come and join my premium group. That is where the real deal is happening. You see, last week, earlier, it was a bit rough, but we thank God everything went well. We made good profit. All right. So, come and join the premium group. All right. Come and join the premium group. All you have to do is set an alert. Okay. So anytime I drop any signal, you'll be able to get it when you are in the premium group. Okay. And then if you practice, a good money management, I promise you are going to make money. Okay. So if I'm making money, there's nothing stopping you from making money also. So just fund the account. Fund at least $10. Now, if you fund $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, a one-on-one session where I can teach you how to trade the forex market profitably and how you can start trading with my own personal strategy. Okay, and guys, remember, all this money we are talking about, funding, the money is not coming to me. Okay, the money is going into your trading account. So you trade with it, you make withdrawal when you make profit. Okay, you can withdraw the money anytime you want. All right. So guys, let's get into the activity of today. Let's see. So we are currently on AUDCHF. I sent this signal to the premium group this morning when the market was around this area. Okay, yeah, it was earlier this morning. Okay, very early. I sent it. I wanted the market to come to this area and then, start to go down. Okay, I think the market was around this area with the hope that the market would come here, but the market just, you know, do its thing and then continue to go down. So, and this is where I wanted the market to get to. Okay, we have, 2 points of interest here. I can actually make the market go down, but the market refused to go down. So in this kind of situation, you don't really have any choice than to look for another possible entry point. Okay, so the market is doing what it wants to do. Just allow it be. Just allow it be. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. So here we have AUDJPY. AUDJPY. Okay, okay, this is good. AUDJPY is looking good. Yeah. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. So that's a good zone. That's a good zone. So let's go back. Let's go to the lower time frame. Though we don't have any, area of interest around here, we don't have. But let's just go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can maybe get an entry All right. So I'm currently not getting any entry set up here. All right. Okay. So that is that on AUD NZD. So let's see what is going on AUD NZD pair. All right. So I think this market is going to continue to go down. The reason is because we have this area where the market is actually respecting, a zone here, a trend line zone. But let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get an entry on the lower time frame. Okay. Yeah. Just as I thought, guys. So I wish I had seen this earlier. Um, this would have gotten to my premium members. Okay, it's a good trade. Okay. Wow. So this is a good trade setup. I wish I had seen this earlier. This could have been, a banger. Okay, I think I can still give this out. Okay, guys, let's sell AUD and ZD. Let's sell now. Okay, since we are already here, let's sell AUD and ZD. Sell now. So we are going to be scalping this. Okay. If we had a retracement, we might set a stop loss, but let's just leave it here. Let's just scalp. Okay, the market is going down in our favor. Good move, guys. Good move. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go watch it from the lower time frame. All right. You see, the market is moving in our favor. So since this is the lower time frame, let's just set our stop loss here. Okay, set it here. So if this market goes above that area, then we close the trade. So this is our first setup for this morning, and we are already making profit. Okay. So if this market comes to this area, we may most likely close our profit. I think this is good for a first take profit where we're going to close some positions. All right. Let's just leave it here. Yeah, remember, this is the 3 minute time frame. So a movement here is going to, be a long movement, okay, on the 1 minute. So if you have multiple positions open, when it gets to that black line, we are closing our first positions, all right? Close few position and then leave the rest to run. So we are still holding our entry and we are already in profit. So it's not yet at our take profit. So we are still holding, all right? We are still holding. So we don't want this coming to this area. If a candle closes above this line, we are going to close the trade. Right now, the market doesn't have, you know, any reason to come back to this area. I'm not saying it's not going to come back, but for now, um, I think it's going to break below this level. But if it does go above this area, then we close our trade and look for another entry opportunity. All right. So we are still holding, guys. We are so guys, we are still holding. If it goes above that level, I'm closing. All right. So So you see this area where I marked black. If the market goes above there and closes above it, I'm going to go off the market. Okay. But if the market goes to that area and closes below it, then we are still in trade. So the current candle is still moving. Okay, and right now it's creating a bullish candle with a strong momentum to the upside. So hopefully it doesn't close above. But once it does close above, we're going to close the trade in loss. Okay. Okay. So guys, we are still in business. Let's just wait a bit, see how this candle closes. All right. So we are still holding this trade, guys. We are still on this trade, and the market is pretty much making a move to the upside. But hopefully, we get a rejection to the downside so that the market will go to our take profit level. Okay. Okay. So it seems the market is, going back our way now. So let's just give it a little bit of moment. Okay. That was a big candle move. So the market just went up. Okay. So let's see if this closes below. So if it closes below, then we are still in business, right? Because we have our stop loss level, and the market hasn't violated our stop loss, and we have a zone here. Okay. So guys, we are still in business here. The market rejected below our level. Okay. So um, what we wanted was the market to close above here so that we close our entry. But since the market has failed to close above, then we are still in business. Okay. Until otherwise. But if the market goes above this level, we are closing our trade. Okay. So that's a good move. So this trade has taken, a longer time than expected. But remember, that is trading. Okay. Patience is always required. So if you want to make money from trading, if you want to make money from trading, you need to have a lot of patience. You need to be the kind of person that you don't just jump into conclusions. Okay. So the market was going up. We could have, closed the trade, and but as you can see from here, this trade still has tendency of going down. So let's just give it a chance. Let's see how it plays out. All right. Okay. Okay. So guys, you see, we are at it again. So hopefully this time around the market will go down to our take profit level. Right? Okay, so we are in business again. Guys, we are in business again. If you are just joining us and you want to place this trade, you can actually sell now. Okay, you can sell with us. So that was where we started our sell from the last time. But the market didn't get to, this is where we started the sell from, but the market didn't get to this level. When it got here, the market just started to go up, okay, went all the way to this area, rejected, and the market has started to make another sell to the downside. So hopefully this time around, it comes to our take profit level and we close our profit. We've spent enough time here already, yeah? Okay, beautiful move. So, guys, you see the confidence. I was very confident here that the market would continue to come down. All right, that was why I have this set of rules that if the market closes above this area, then I'm going to close my trade. Okay, so you see, this is what it takes to be a professional. Okay, if you're a professional, you have, that confidence that the market will not go against you. Even though if the market is going to go against you, you have those rules, okay? And you never want to go against those rules. So you see, this is why you need to fund your account. Okay, come and join my premium group. In fact, if you fund up to $200, you have a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so why not fund up to $200? Have the one-on-one session. Let's have a chit chat. Let me teach you how this is done properly. All right. We've spent a lot of time on this trade alone. So I hope it goes our way. Okay, so that's a good rejection there. So hopefully that holds. And that's a very wonderful pattern. It's a very good pattern. So we've been on this trade for almost 30 minutes now. All right. We started the trade from here, and this is 33 minute candle. One, two, three, four. This is the 11th candle. Okay. And we are currently on the 3 minute time frame. So that's 11 candle times 3. That's like 33 minutes now, guys. So we spent approximately 33 minutes on this trade. So let's see what this next candle, how the candle is going to perform. We want to see more rejections around that area for the market to go down. If it doesn't give us the rejection, we're just going to close the trade. All right. I don't want the market to close with a full body candle. Okay. So I want to see rejections. I don't want the candle to close above. If the candle closes above, we are closing our trade, guys. Okay, guys. Please let's close. All right, let's close this trade. I just closed mine. So we close around here, which is good. Okay, we close around there. So yeah, we close around here where the market is right now, which is good, which means we didn't lose much. So let me see how many pips was taken from us. So the reason why I wanted us to close is because this market has been running for so long. So that is about 1.2 pips. All right, we got in from here, we closed here. So that is like 1.2 pips, guys. Okay, that's 1.2 pips. So the reason why I wanted us to close is because I said I don't want, after this rejection here, I don't want another candle to go above it. I want a candle that is going to close below. But since the market decided it was going to close above, then that means it's going to go above the retest. Okay, and I didn't want a candle that will go above the retest. So let's just look for another entry before the end of our session, all right? Okay. So we had to wait for long. Okay, we had to wait for the market to play out. All right. This was sent to the free group. I'm very sure everybody is enjoying this right now. All right. Okay, so guys, let's go on. Let's look out for more entry opportunities. Okay, so I want to see if we can actually take an entry from here. Okay, so let's stay on the 3 minute time frame. What I want to see here is I want to get a rejection. Once I get a rejection there, we are taking our entry, right? I want to see a rejection to the upside. Okay, so it's happening. Hopefully it stays that way. Okay, guys, go to Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let me see if they're good. Okay, just stay on the Euro AUD pair and wait for my command. So we are currently on Euro AUD. Now, guys, let's not waste our time here. We have just few minutes to the end of our session. So let's see if we can get, you know, more better opportunities. Okay. Euro CAD. Let's go back. Let's go back and check on. Okay, I kind of like these rejections I'm seeing on the 5 minutes time frame. Wow. So we took our eyes off it and the market just started playing out. This could have been our entry immediately after this. Wow, wow, wow. You see, this is why I hate taking my eyes off any analysis that I am making. See how fast the market is sometimes. So I took my eyes off this for just few minutes. I don't think it's even up to 3 minutes. Okay. I think it's a minute and few seconds. And the market just started playing out. Yeah. So that is how fast the forex market is. Okay. And that is why I always advise you guys, whenever you have an analysis, don't go far from the analysis. Okay. Don't start looking for something, that is not necessary. So stay with your analysis. So when it start playing out, or once you get the confirmation, you know exactly when to go into the trade. Okay, and that is exactly what has happened here. So let's just see if we can get an entry. Okay, so let's go to Euro CAD. All right. Since that didn't work out for us, let's go to Euro CAD. Let's see if. So I love what happened here on the Euro CAD pair. All right. Okay. So let's just wait a bit. Let's when the market gets to this area and give us a rejection, then we look for opportunities to open a short trade. Okay. So we go short, we sell. But let the market get to that area and give us confirmations first. Okay. So it's approaching our point of entry right now. Good. So even if the market goes again above it, we still have another area here. Okay, which is like our second zone, all right? Okay. So right now we are waiting for a rejection to the downside. So no rejection was given. Let's go to 3 minutes time frame. Okay. So we are currently at the 3 minutes time frame. Guys, you see, this is why it is important that you join my premium group. So we don't have to be here hustling for, entries on a day, on a daily. So today is Monday. The market is, um, pretty slow sometimes on Monday. Not every time though. Some market will still move fast, but you just need to be lucky to be able to get all the fast movement in the market. All right. Um, so we had to close our first trade. The second entry, the second opportunity. Immediately we took our eyes off it. The market just started playing out. Okay. So that will be all for this morning. Guys, remember we have our Telegram question and answer session coming up by 11:30. All right. So join me by 11:30. Let's put heads together. Let's see how we can make it easy while moving forward. Okay. So I'll see you guys by then. Bye for now.